To clean the aquarium, maintenance of the fish tank. Having a fish tank aquarium is an attraction in any house. When choosing the aquarium, you have to take into account the small and beautiful animals. For example, do not use the round bowl, better if it is rectangular. Many consider them as a symbol of abundance and are excellent to make us relax by appreciating our beloved fish that, commonly, we select carefully so that our fish tank is as beautiful and striking as possible, simulating a rather pleasant marine world. If you decide to have your fish tank, our recommendation is that you devote a good time to maintenance, do not overfeed. In addition to a decorative object, fish are living beings that require affection and responsibility. They are pets that we want to have in the best conditions, do not have them only for decoration. We can get a practical aquarium, in addition to the required accessories. You do not need to spend a large sum of money. Cleaning the aquarium, maintenance of the fish tank. 1. How to clean the aquarium. 1. What happens when my fish tank gets completely dirty? 1. 2. How do I clean my aquarium? How to clean the aquarium. In a fish tank, aquarium, we can place a variety of fish. Keeping in mind some are compatible with others. In addition, it is important to be aware of the feeding of our marine pets, as well as keep with algae your fish tank so that the water is always well oxygenated. Frequently change the stones that we have in the fish tank and having good filtration system for the water. Keeping an eye on this can be a simple thing. It's just a matter of memorizing it and making it a custom in our calendar. What happens when my fish tank gets completely dirty? Many times, we can constantly change the water in our fish tank. But many times this is not enough for the glasses that make up our fish tank are completely clean, so that we place drinking water. We show how slowly it seems to accumulate a kind of fine line in our fish tank as a result of water. But let us remember that the home of our fish we cannot give soap as this could be fatal to them, so what can we do? How do I clean my aquarium? About fish tank maintenance. One day I was faced with such a situation, so I decided to ask a fish expert. He told me that in order to remove this line and be able to clean the whole fish tank, aquarium, I had to remove my fish and place them in a container or bag without soap or other chemical additive. Then fill the fish tank with water and vinegar, leave it so for 1 minute or half an hour, depending on how dirty the fish tank is, and, as if by magic, any unwanted stains or lines in my fish tank would be eliminated immediately. Then rinse it with plenty of water to remove any residue of vinegar that might be left. I did the test and it worked. The maintenance of the fish tank is fun, especially when we see the results.